What's up, guys? Great to see you back. It's great to be back. Today, my family and I are going to make some homemade vanilla ice cream. And this was actually inspired by a really good friend of mine who I visited about 3 weeks back. He invited me to his home in Austin, Texas, and we made some bourbon butter pecan ice cream from scratch. It was super easy. He had a Cuisinart ice cream making machine, and I was so impressed that I literally that very same day jumped on Amazon and bought for less than 80 bucks a Cuisinart 2-quart ice cream making machine. It also makes frozen yogurt and sorbet, but today I'm going to show you how to make it vanilla ice cream with just 4 ingredients. I mean, just like me, I'm sure some of you out there get your ice cream and you have sort of a guilty conscience after you eat it. Of course, it's understandable. There's so many ingredients in there, and some of that stuff is really bad for you. So, making it with 4 ingredients, I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get to it. Yummy?
Totally good! My face!
This savory-based cooking channel would not be complete without including some of my favorite homemade desserts. If you haven't watched my first dessert video, please do so. It's the chocolate molten lava cake, and I made that obviously a la mode. So that's why I'm showing this to you today. So if you are going to make that chocolate molten lava cake, definitely try to make your own homemade vanilla ice cream. So if you just seen, I've shown you all of the ingredients, all 4 ingredients that is, and here I'm pouring 1.5 cups of whole milk. I chose organic milk, and basically we're just gonna add this to the bowl. Second ingredient, I'm going to be adding the granulated sugar. This is 1 cup, just adding that to the bowl of whole milk. Now we're going to plug in our handy dandy hand mixer and mix until that sugar dissolves in our milk. The third item we're adding is 3 cups of heavy whipping cream. This helps the ice cream have a rich flavor. And finally, we're going to be using 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla extract. This ingredient, as you probably would have guessed, adds a little bit of a vanilla flavor, and it also brings out the flavors of the other ingredients. If you do not have vanilla extract, you can always use vanilla paste, vanilla powder, vanilla sugar. And if you find yourself without any of those ingredients, then you could probably resort to almond extract, maple syrup, honey, brandy, bourbon, rum, you name it. So now that we have all of our ingredients in our mixing bowl, we just stir it around so they get to know each other really well. And when we do that, we then move on to the next task, which is to transfer this bowl into, you probably can go straight in with this. I'm not sure why I transferred it into a carafe, but I eventually did that, so not necessary. But here's our carafe. I turned the machine on. You see it's rotating right now. And just like that. And you allow it to mix for about 20 to 25 minutes. And it'll get a little bit frozen to the point where it's ice cream, but more like a smoothie. This specific recipe is for about 4 servings, so approximately 2 to 3 pints of ice cream. So after 20-25 minutes, we turn off our machine and we see there that it's more like a soft serve, maybe more even like a smoothie like consistency, and we're just gonna have the girls taste a little bit before we cover the insert, set it in the freezer, and we'll keep it in the freezer for maybe about 4 hours or so. It should freeze up to the point where it's more like we're used to. So that's about it, guys. It's a wrap. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please make your own ice cream. It's fun, fast, easy to create your own, and it's better, in my opinion, than store-bought ice cream. You guys take care.